Today we are making a delicious cucumber garlic dip.
That goes great with everything. Hey kids, my name is Aya.
And I am Muhammad. And she is
Honey.
Welcome to our show, Simple, Delicious, and Healthy, where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
In the last video, we made custard 3 ways with one simple recipe.
You heard that right. Go check it out.
Before we begin, make sure to wash hands or wear gloves and make sure to subscribe, like, and share.
And hit that notification bell to get notified when we upload.
This week's shoutouts go to... If you would like a shoutout in our next video, be sure to comment down below your name and what recipes you'd like us to make.
We have a goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers.
Once we reach it, we will give away a bunch of prizes.
All the information you need is in the description below.
Let us know in the comments down below if you'd like us to make pastry shells. The ingredients are
3 cups of sour cream or plain yogurt,
2 mini shredded cucumbers,
3 minced garlics. You can add more for a stronger taste.
1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt.
We prefer sour cream. It has a more creamier, richer taste.
We are not using house cucumbers because they have larger seeds and more water.
If you would like to use them, squeeze out the excess water and peel the skin.
Garlic is a strong defense against sickness.
Cucumbers are great when it comes to relieving pain.
Sour cream is packed with calcium.
Himalayan salt has 66% less sodium than regular salt.
The steps for this are super simple.
All you have to do is combine everything in a bowl and mix. Check Instagram for photos of all our recipes so far, and be sure to tag SDH whenever you make any of our delicious recipes.
Bismillah! Here you have it, a delicious cucumber garlic dip.
This is so creamy and rich, and I love the garlic. It's good, right?
I love mine with rice.
I like mine with cracker. Oh. I can't wait to make a video on how to make these crackers.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Please don't forget to support our small but growing channel by subscribing,
Liking,
and sharing to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle. And please don't forget to comment down below your thoughts and what you'd like to see in future videos.
And as always,
Simple, delicious, and healthy.
Hey kids!
Oh, so who's doing?
Today we are making a delicious cucumber. Let us know in the comments down below if you would like us to make pastry shells.
Okay, that's you.
We are not using household cucumbers.
Cucumbers are great when it comes to relieving pain. Stop it. Cucumbers are great when it comes to relieving pain.
Bismillah! Here you have it, a delicious cucumber garlic. Bismillah! Here you have it, a delicious cucumber garlic dip.
This is is so creamy and rich, and I love that garlic. Isn't it good, honey? Very good.
Honey!